All right, guys, today we're going to look at this Mattel Classic Football. Now, this is from, if you look on the back here, the year 2000. Okay, so it's not the original 70s model, but I thought I'd show it to y'all real quick. It is football, and basically you hit this button and you get your down and distance and field position. You hit the other button, you get your time remaining there. So let's play it for a minute. Let's see if I can score. This is not the one where you can pass too. That was a bad first down. So then in between downs, you can either hit score and get the time and score, or you can hit down and distance and field position. It is 2nd and 8. All right. No good. Am I going to have to refilm this? Come on, go, 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 go. Like Barry Sanders. Go, 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 go. Ah. All right. It is 1st and 10, though, so that's good. The little pips are kind of dim, in my opinion. I don't know. I'm stuck. 1st and 10, though. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be or not. I mean, I can see it, but I have to... It's a little dim. Oh, this is a nice run here. MVP. MVP. Got me. Where am I at? Okay, only 14 yards to go. Let's score. I have a feeling they know I'm not gonna pass because I don't have a pass button. These defensive players are horrible. Okay, I scored. Yay! So now if we hit the score, it's 7-0. So there we go. Game works fine. Pretty good cosmetic condition. And the battery compartment, I'm not going to open it because I have to unscrew it. Battery compartment is clean.